Okay, guys, so today I want to go over Tradelocker and Paradise. So, what we do, guys, is we help people pass a prop firm called Paradise. I'm not going to spend a lot of time about this particular firm just because I have a completely different video about this. But I wanted to teach you guys on how to use Tradelocker because once we pass Paradise on your behalf, you're going to use a broker or a platform called Tradelocker. So instead of using MT4 or DDX Trade, you're going to be using Tradelocker, and you're going to be able to just log in once with the credentials that Paradise gives you, and you're going to be able to get access to all of your accounts. Now, let's kind of just go over what Paradise is for those who don't know. They offer Express, HFT, and regular funded challenges. But if you have not created a free account, if you click the link below, you can create a free account. That is my affiliate link. It does not cost you anything extra. But once you create a free account, you're going to be able to see the different packages that they offer. And they offer Express funded and regular funded. Now, if you want to take the test by yourself, you can go create a regular challenge and try to pass it yourself. But if you would like us to pass it for you, you can go to Express funded and you can pick between one of these packages. And another good reason to just create a free account is because they always email out coupons for 35% off, 25% off, sometimes even 50% off. But for our rates, when it comes to actually getting it passed, I'll leave that link below too. But it's pretty much whatisfxsocial.com/prop firm. So if you ever want us to pass one for you, you can just kind of look at our different rates, and we can get any of these challenges completely passed for you. Now, once you get these challenges passed, or you just need to log in general, you're going to have to log in with your email that you created this account, the server name, and the password they give you via email. So now the misconception that many people have when it comes to just logging in is when it comes to this particular prop firm, you're always going to log in via the demo account no matter what, and all your accounts are going to be found, your funded accounts and your challenge accounts details. I'm not going to click these mainly because that's my account details, but you're going to be able to find all your account details here. And so once you're ready to log in, you're going to go and just put in your email and the server name, which would be PHEPRP, and then the password. So they actually have a desktop version, so I'm just going to go into the desktop version. And so this is a $25,000 account, but as you can see, I have a $100,000 and a $15,000 account also with this particular prop firm. So I'm going to go over how to use them. What's cool about this, guys, is that with your funded, these are funded accounts. These are this $25,000 account is a challenge account. And so I'm going to show you why I like Tradelocker, how to use it. So if you ever want to have us pass a prop firm for you, maybe you want us to help you get a $200,000 account or a $50,000 account, and you can get fully funded, and everything that you do on that particular account, you're going to be able to keep the profits. Now, let's go over actually how to use the tool. So first we're going to go over how to use the desktop, and then I'm going to go into the mobile app and show you how to use the mobile app. So let's talk about the charts first. It's a really easy, intuitive chart to use. It's powered by TradingView, so it's really, really simple. And you basically, it's just like TradingView. So I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. If you know how to use TradingView, you know how to use Tradelocker's chart. So you can actually just chart right from here while you're taking your trades. That's one thing I do like about this a lot. You're going to see your different things like your open positions right here. You're going to see your pending positions, your closed trades, as you can see here, your balance, and your trades and just the information about your trades. Right here, you're going to be able to see your balance also, your profit and loss, your margin use, and so forth. Okay, so now let's talk about this part right here, the different panels. So let's say that you want to have a full chart and this is in the way for now. You can click here and just get rid of that panel. And again, you can just use this just like TradingView. If you know how to use TradingView, you know how to use this. It's just like TradingView, except you don't have your FXSocial indicators, unfortunately. But while you're just doing some quick markups, this definitely gets the job done. So you can always bring it back up to the panel. They also have something where you can move the panel if you want to keep it right here, and you just want to have your buy and sell buttons right here while you're taking a trade. Or if you want to keep it simple, you can just keep it right here, and it can just be right on the charts for you. So it's a very simple tool to use. I like it a lot. So let's say that I'm looking at taking this trade. Let's say I started off like this, and you can, if you want to have just a short one where you can just choose your lot size and so forth. But what I like to do is I like to bring the panel up, and so you can even do a trail also, which is cool. So you can do buy or sell. You can choose which way you want to do it. So let's say I want to do a sell, for example. And what's cool is you can see all this information here, and you can put in what price you're looking at right here, how many ticks that you want to risk. It's going to tell you your potential loss and your profit if you do that. So let's say that I don't want to type in any of this, and I just want to look at the charts. Well, as you can see, when I have a sell, I have this little blue line here that says draft SL and draft TP. That means that it hasn't been activated yet. And the same thing, it'll do vice versa, stop loss and TP. So let's just do a sell. And now you can just move this TP, and it's going to update your information from here. So let's say I think my TP is going to be right here. And let's say I think my stop loss is going to be all the way up here. And right now it's saying that if I do this, this is my profit and this is my loss. But let's say that I bring this down some more. Now you can see that this is my profit now, and then this is my profit and loss. So like, let's say I bring it right here. I'll lose even more if I took a trade right here. So this is where you can see your stop loss information. Under stop loss, this is where you see your take profit information. So let's say that I did want to keep it right here, and I wanted to bring this right here, and I wanted to keep on trail, for example. And let's say you don't want to stop loss, you can do that too. Same thing with take profit. Of course, you can pick pending order, so forth. So let's say I wanted to trail, and I wanted my stop loss right here, and I want to do a 0.05, and I'm willing to risk $65 to make $275 in this trade. I can literally just hit sell, and that trade is done. You can even update it with ease by just grabbing it and just moving it. Just grab that SL, just tap it, and then you can move it. So that's how I want to move it right here, and it's going to tell you your updated potential loss. I don't want that, so let's just put it back right here and hit confirm. You can bring your panel back up. You can see the active trade. If you ever want to close it early, like I'm about to do now, you can just close it. So it's a very simple tool to use, guys. You can drag, you can do this stuff in and out. So let's go and let's talk about how to do your pairs next. So and your time frames. So your time frames are right here. You can see your different time frames right here if you want to go to these different time frames. This right here is going to bring up your different pairs. So we brought that back real quick. So let's say that you only like trading certain pairs and you don't want to trade. If this looks like this, you just reset that. But let's say that you don't want to trade. You have your favorite pairs you want to trade. And let's say I like to trade gold. So let me just look up gold. XAU, USD. And I want to favorite that. Add to favorites. Let's say I like trading SPX 500. It's already my favorite. Let's say I like trading US 32. Add to favorite. Now, instead of looking at all these different pairs that I don't trade, I can just go to my favorites. I believe, where is the button? Right here. Just click that button. And now I can just switch between my favorite pairs to look at. Oh, I'm on 30 seconds. I was wondering why I was looking like that. But yeah, so that's how you use it on the computer. I'm going to do a quick lesson on how to use it on the phone. It's pretty much the same thing, just a few differences, but let's dive into it real quick. Okay, so I have the app, as you can see, Tradelocker app. Now, same thing. If you look to the top right here on the right, you're going to see the ones where you can choose your different profiles. So that's how you get to that. At the top, you're going to see where you can click markets, and you're going to see your favorite markets. And just like if you click your favorites, right here, you're going to see only your favorites. So you can set all your stuff up on your desktop or your phone. That's how I just want to keep my favorites like that. Cool. I want to see what trading account I'm on right now. I'm going to pick the $25,000 account to make sure. Cool. So I can see all my favorites for that particular one. I can see all my open trades, just like if I was on the actual desktop. So trade here, market here, your current pair right here, and your charts, just like TradingView. Well, as far as trading, you're going to find out your stuff at the bottom right here. So you can click this button right here, and you're going to see, again, your stop loss and take profit. So if I just tap those buttons right here, I did right here. If you want, you can just type in your stop loss. You can put in the ticks. You can put in the price like usual. It's going to tell you exactly what you're losing. If you want, you can just bring this down temporarily, and you can just start moving. Let's bring it back up real quick. You can choose what direction you think the market's going to go. Let's say I think it's going to be a buy. So then I just break it back down. And now since I think it's going to be a buy, I can move my stuff, and it's telling me exactly how much I'm going to lose right here. And then I can just click my lot size. Hit buy. And then it's a trade that's in for a buy. So this is a really great tool to use, guys. It's super straightforward. You know exactly what you're going to lose. One thing I liked about futures a lot is that it was transparent to pricing. Tradelocker has done that. So I would say personally, I do like Tradelocker more than I do like MT4. So if you go to trades, you can click here to see the summary of your trade. Right now it's moving pretty fast. Okay, I did 0.05. I don't know why I did that. But you can hit edit to edit your trade if you want to move things around. You can discard that edit. You can go back to trades. You can come back here again. You can do partial close, and I can choose how much I want to partially close. So it's a very easy app. You can do a full close. If you have a bunch of trades open, you want to close them all at one time, you can hit the close all button, and you can see your closed positions right here and so forth. So I'm just going to close this trade out real quick because I was really just doing this for an example. But that's pretty much it, guys. This is a pretty simple tool to use. You can even say how much you want to risk and so forth. So it's a really simple tool to use, guys, and it doesn't take a lot. So hopefully this video was helpful. Again, make sure that you use my link for the Paradise so you can check out the different prices. You can reach out to us also if you want us to pass on your behalf. Just go to whatisfxsocial.com/prop firm, and hopefully this video was helpful.